Tired of watching perfect setups fly by while you're stuck at work, asleep, or just living your life? This Black Friday, that ends. Introducing Prime Automation, your new army of bots built on the legendary ChartPrime indicators, engineered to trade for you 24/7. These aren't random signal bots. They're precision-built, back-tested strategies, powered by our most profitable setups, catching every volatile move you always wished you were around for. And here's where it gets even crazier. We've trained advanced AI models on our own indicators, allowing them to learn with the market itself. They adapt to breaking news, manipulation, and shifting market structure. Things that make most algos crumble. Ours evolve. This Black Friday, we're going all in. You'll get ChartPrime for life, bundled with up to 1 year of Prime Automation free, worth thousands of dollars, plus access to our exclusive Black Friday only strategies and the Strategy Builder engine, the same technology behind our profitable algos. Just look at the results. The Bitcoin Killer bot crushed over 90% on its last trade, and everyone copying it bagged huge gains. You can follow it in a single click. And if you prefer altcoins, our automated alt bots are destroying the charts. All live, all hands free. And the best part, if you're a lifetime member, you're not just getting bots, you're getting creation power. With PA Builder for life, you can create your own strategies, backtest them, and deploy live bots instantly. No coding, no stress. Plus, lifetime means lifetime. Your own market oracle, market dynamics, prime oscillator, and more permanently. Crush the market's manual trading to make even more gains while your bots do the heavy lifting. Every update, every new feature, forever. This is the ultimate Black Friday bundle. Automation, AI, indicators, and strategy creation, all in one package. Save thousands, trade smarter, and finally, stop missing the moves that could have changed your portfolio forever.